What are we going to do today?
That's right.
Going to ride a train? Which one?
What train?
Huh?
What I think do I want train.
The red train?
Red.
Okay.
Red.
Red.
Red. I see it. I want to see it, Mommy.
No, not right now. We're going to see if you can do some more talking.
My dad is going to work.
Daddy's going to work?
Yeah.
Where does Daddy work?
He was cook on my mommy work.
Where's Mommy work? What?
Pew.
Bill. Pew. Pew.
Pew.
But Daddy's not at work today.
Yeah.
Daddy went snowboarding with Artie.
Artie.
Yeah, we'll see Daddy tomorrow.
See Daddy tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. It's Artie. Tomorrow. It's see Daddy. Tomorrow. He's only a day away.
Good one. That was a good song.
I think tomorrow.
Yeah. Do you think we'll see Artie tomorrow?
Yeah.
It's possible. Papa might pick us up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you eating?
I eat pancakes.
Oh. Is it good?
Mmm.
What kind is that?
So I get
What kind of yogurt? What kind is it?
Cherry.
Cherry.
Mmm.
Mmm. You like it?
Yeah.
What else do you like? You like mango?
Mmm.
You like carrots?
No.
No? You do too.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No.
Do you like meatballs?
No.
Do you like candy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Candy?
I like candy.
And that's candy?
Do I like Jack's candy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Jack's candy.
What's,
Hey, how do you spell Jack?
yeah.
How do you spell Jack?
That is the K.
Good.
That is the K. That is the K.
J-A-C-K.
Doop.
Jack, can you blow your nose?
Um,
You do it again harder?
doop.
Can you blow your nose harder?
No.
Come on, do it.
No, I said doop.
You're saying doop.
Doop. Doop.
Here's a tissue. Blow your nose.
No.
Can you blow just once? Blow real hard. Go ahead. Blow your nose. Go.
Sugar.
Ah.
Sugar. Sugar.
Hey, don't do that.
And in the camera.
No, don't do it on the camera.
Here you go. And it's on top.
Why don't you use that for your yogurt?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Mommy,
Hey, Jack, can you sing?
Stop.
Can you sing Old MacDonald Turtle?
Oh, we got a turtle.
E-I-E-I-O.
Yeah. Yo.
What does the turtle do? Yeah, that's cute.
Poop. I say poop.
I know. Do you like poop?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like poop.
No.
I like poops.
You do not.
No, I like poops.
No, I don't like poops.
I like poops.
You like poops?
Yeah.
They're stinky.
No.
No?
I like poops.
Yuck.
Yuck. It's gross.
It's gross, yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I like?
Yeah.
Poops in the potty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oops, party.
Do you think you could go poops in the potty sometime?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Surprise.
Surprise, that would be a surprise.
A surprise. Surprise.
Surprise.
I'm mommy.
What? What are you doing?
I said go.
Go, go, gaga.
I said go in my chair.
In your chair? Are you being silly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Fire.
Fire?
Yeah. What's that fire thing?
We went to the fire restaurant?
Yeah.
With who? Who was there?
Amber and Donald.
Amber and Donald? Who else?
And Justin.
And Justin? Who else? Who else was there?
Who's
Donald, yeah. Who else? Huh?
Amber?
And Amber, yeah. Who else?
And Justin.
And Justin.
Oh,
And?
became fire.
Who else was there, though? You always forget her.
Yeah.
Was Brenda there?
No water. Then no water just.
Yeah, is this your little joke for Brenda?
You can't move.
Brenda was there.
No.
Yeah, it was Brenda's Groupon that let you go to that restaurant.
No. This Amber. This Amber.
Just Amber?
Yeah.
What did we do after the fire restaurant? We what? Ice cream? Was it good?
Let's call it an ice cream.
We went and had ice cream.
It's cold.
It's cold? Yeah, it's cold out and we had ice cream? Yeah. Is it cold outside, Jack?
Yeah.
Really cold?
Yeah.
Ooh, brr.
It's snowy out.
It's snowy out, yeah. It is snowing today.
I want to make a snowball.
You do?
Yeah.
Maybe we can make a snowball today.
Yeah.
Do you want to make a snowball or ride the train?
This is my side.
You want to ride the train?
I do beats.
You want to what?
I do beats.
Do beats?
Yeah.
What's that? Huh?
Beats.
Beach?
Yeah.
You want to ride the train to the beach?
No, that's fine. And the beats. I think a starfish.
Oh, you want to play in the dirt and find a starfish? Yeah?
Yeah.
The sand?
Yeah.
You want to build a sand castle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to go in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go water.
Yeah?
And I go, is it? Oh, water.
We'll both go in the water. Yeah, that'd be good. Can't go in the water by yourself.
Let's go to work.
Huh?
He went to Artie.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy went with Artie?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you think that we should go to the beach?
Yeah.
It's too cold. Yeah. I think we should go to the aquarium.
Yeah. Okay.
Aquarium. And we'll ride the train.
Yeah.
You want to ride the train down to the aquarium?
Yeah.
What's the matter?
Where am I?
What's wrong with your face?
I got sticky.
Oh, it's sticky. From the yogurt?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go clean it up.
Okay.
Okay, I love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.